This is our medieval history memory game, and it comes wrapped up nicely. So I'll go ahead and take off the wrapping. Inside the game, you have your instructions and all of the tiles, again in wrapping. And here we have the tiles displayed on our table. So let's go ahead and just have a look at all of the tiles that are there. I'd like to point out as well that our Go Fish game comes with a little booklet, and it has a paragraph written about all of the cards that are in here. And in our memory games have the same images as our Go Fish game. So you could use this as an instructional tool. Our medieval history memory game.